How to add countdown timer to an Instagram story. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to add countdown timer to Instagram story. So to add a countdown timer, what you have to do is open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now snap a photo or a video or upload an image from a camera roll. Tap here to load your camera roll. Now select the picture or video and then tap the sticker icon with the square smiley face at the top of your screen. Now tap countdown to give your event a title. Now set the exact date and time the event ends and then tap the color wheel at the top to change the sticker's color palette. Then tap done in the top right corner. Now drag the sticker anywhere on the screen, resize it and tap your story to share. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.